Fadifa Croside. On this episode, we are going to look at substance abuse among youth. Substance abuse is also known as drug abuse, refers to the harmful or hazardous use of psychoactive substances. National Agency for Drug Law Enforcement Agency reports that 40% of Nigerian youths are involved in substance abuse. A report from the World Bank, World Health Organization states that in 2020, 35 million people suffer from drug disorder. It is also proven by the World Health Organization that 0.5 million global deaths are attributed to drug abuse annually. Drugs containing nicotine often cause cancer of the throat and lungs, while abuse of alcohol causes liver cirrhosis. These diseases are mostly the long term effect of abuse of drugs. The use of drugs other than for medical reasons can affect individuals socially, cognitively, or physically. This is attributed to Korea 1996. Social effects may be reflective in an individual's enhanced tendency to engage in conflict with friends, teachers, and school authorities, while cognitive effects relates to the individual lack of concentration on academic work and memory loss. Drug abuse among youths globally, sorry, drug abuse youths among global youth population has become a serious problem affecting everyone. Addiction leads many people, young people, into downward spiral of hopelessness. That is, some cases ends fatal. And so drug is responsible for lost wages, destruction of properties in schools, soaring healthcare costs, and broken families. It also affects us as parents, teachers, the children, the government official, and it also affects the taxpayers' money. And so we are calling on youth to support our effort to say no to substance abuse. And we also ask parents to support their children to stay away from drug use and encourage youths who are involved in substance use to seek help from the government. We're also calling on the government to support these youths by establishing a rehabilitation center where they will be empowered with skills that they can use to seek for employment. We also call on our health partners in the sectors to be available for these youths. We solicit the cooperation of community members not to discriminate against them. I know we can win this fight if we all come together to support each other. Thank you.